everyone, today we're going to do I Ready Math. Say I Ready Math, not I Ready Reading, but I Ready Math. The time has to go fast right now because my parents are leaving. And
Emily
guess what?
has 21 flowers.
I have to be done before
She
they come
puts
back.
3 flowers in her hair and puts the rest in a vase. How many flowers are in the vase? What is the unknown in the problem? You know Emily puts 3 flowers in her hair.
I do not care if I get it
What
wrong
do
or
you
right.
need to
I have to
find?
hurry up.
You need to find the number of flowers in the vase. Let V stand for the number of flowers in each vase. Complete the equation to represent the problem. You can find the number of flowers in the vase, V, by subtracting. That is 21 minus 3. Choose the minus sign. How many flowers are in the vase? What is 21 minus 3? Nice. V equals 18. That means there are 18 flowers in the vase. Jackson has 15 boxes of raisins. He keeps 5 boxes and gives the rest to his friends.
Michael Jackson!
How many boxes of raisins does Jackson give to his friends?
Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson. It says, so I'm going to the store.
Let F stand for the boxes of raisins Jackson gives to his friends. Which equation can be used to solve the problem? Jackson has 15 boxes of raisins and keeps 5 of them. You want to find how many are left to give to his friends. You can find how many boxes of raisins are left for his friends, F, by subtracting. That is 15 minus 5. How many boxes of raisins does Jackson give to his friends?
This song is not very long. Yeah, I'm already done with the song. What's the answer? 10. I don't care if I get it right or wrong.
Good.
Remember.
F equals 10. Jackson gives 10 boxes of raisins to his friends. Naomi has 15 dumplings to share with 5 friends. She gives each friend the same number of dumplings. How many dumplings does each friend get?
Teacher's made I ready. Not gonna lie.
Let D stand for the number of dumplings each friend gets. Which equation can be used to solve the problem?
People made out. I ready because they want like their children to learn, or else it won't be a teacher. It'll have mostly fun than mostly learning. So God, let's see. So what's 1 plus 1? So so which equation is true?
There are 15 dumplings shared equally. You can find how many dumplings does each friend get?
The answer is pretty small. The answer is 3.
Way to go! D equals 3. Each friend gets 3 dumplings. Joel packs 24 granola bars into 6 backpacks for a camping trip. Each backpack has the same number of granola bars. How many granola bars are in each backpack? Let G stand for the number of granola bars in each backpack. Choose all the equations that can be used to solve the problem. "24 granola bars divided into 6 backpacks is equal to G, the number of granola bars in each backpack. You can also think of this as 6 times what number equals 24? How many granola bars are in each backpack?
Okay, so the answer is 4. Open the door.
Great work! G equals 4. There are 4 granola bars in each backpack. It is Riley's turn to bring in snacks. Her mom has 24 fruit bars. She keeps 6 fruit bars and puts the rest in Riley's backpack. How many fruit bars are in Riley's backpack? Let B stand for the number of fruit bars in Riley's backpack. Choose all the equations that can be used to solve the problem. "24 fruit bars minus the 6 bars Riley's mom keeps is equal to B, the number of fruit bars in Riley's backpack. You can also think of this as 6 plus what number equals 24? How many fruit bars are in Riley's backpack? What is 24 minus 6? Nice. B equals 18. There are 18 fruit bars in Riley's backpack. What's next? Tap on the green arrow button to keep going.
Lamont packs 24 shirts into 3 boxes. He puts the same number of shirts in each box. How many shirts are in each box? What is the unknown in the problem? Lamont packs 24 shirts into 3 boxes. He puts the same number of shirts in each box. How many shirts are in each box?
Takes 24 hours.
What is the unknown in the problem? You need to find the number of shirts in each box. Let S stand for the number of shirts in each box. Complete the equation to represent the problem. You can find the number of shirts in each box, S, by dividing 24 by 3. How many shirts are in each box? Complete the sentence.